Hi guys, it is indeed my pleasure to have Kunal and Rajani with us. Both of them are representing CEX Web We Buy Entertainment, and they are both basically our esteemed speaker, and they are doing a workshop on day two. Kunal is a QA manager, and Rajani is a QA lead. I would request them to speak about themselves, and then we'll talk about the topic. So, Kunal, over to you, and then we'll ask Rajani to introduce herself. Is that okay?
Yeah, sounds great, Aditya. Thank you for the warm welcome. And hello, this is Kunal this side. I've been in the IT industry for a decade now, more than a decade, I would say, close to 13 years. Been on the software testing side most of the time. And it's been the journey has been through various set of organization, starting from IT services, then the small setup, then the captive, and right now I'm working with CEX VY Entertainment Private Limited as a QA manager. I currently manage a team of 12 members, and it's still growing. And we are a very different set of company. We follow a different culture altogether, and we have a huge number of stores across the globe. Talking a bit more about me on the personal front, I'm more into marathons and trekking. So I love trekking. I am a nature lover, and I make sure I go to Himalayas once in a year. If it gives a chance twice, yeah, due to COVID, I have to make sure that I don't miss that 2 years also. Yeah, so
Very
that's pretty much on my side.
excellent. Kunal, we are very glad to have you with us as our speaker for the seventh edition of this global conference. Really glad to hear that you are into trekking and running as well. Um, look forward to basically your session also. So requesting Rajni to please go ahead now and give quickly tell us about yourself, Rajni, if possible.
Yeah, thanks, Aditya. It was nice, knowing you. So, yeah, myself, Rajni, and I've been working in CX as a test lead for the past 1 year, and I have more than 10 years of experience in IT industry. So, yeah, I'm learning and evolving myself in different tools and technologies. So, I have got exposure on Silk Test. I've worked on Selenium, and currently we are exploring more on the karate side. So yeah, so this was all on the professional side. Talking about myself as an individual, so I am a traveler and I like traveling to places. So I plan maybe once in a year, explore a new area and explore a new place. So recently I've been to Rajmachi, and apart from that, I also like watching suspense movies. So
Wow,
yeah, that's all from my side.
very nice, Rajni. Glad to meet you as well. So there's a very interesting workshop that both Kunal and Rajni are doing. It's on karate, and the title of their workshop is Karate UI and Report Portal, UI automation made easy. Now, it's very interesting. Karate is a very easy to learn tool. That's what I have been told, and it is one of those tools which is like coming up very fast. That's the reason GTR wanted somebody to give this workshop, and when you guys presented this abstract and later on suggested that this would be a workshop that you can do, it was basically something that we all wanted to bring it into the conference. So thank you so much for bringing up this topic. I just want to hear from you on what exactly are your thoughts for this workshop, and why do you think this is something very important for today's QA and testing teams to basically explore and learn.
Sure. So I've been, considering this open source tool and searching a new open source tool quite a while. So I go back in the time, and to bring out the history, I started with only one automation tool down there. It was Quick Test Professional. And now it is UFT, and that was a licensed tool. And later we came across Selenium, and that was everybody was working with Selenium, and there were multiple programming languages people were coming up with, majorly Java. But then again, the search has been going on, and finally I came across Karate. It was like 3 4 years ago maybe, and it was in the early evaluation phase. Karate, Peter Thomas, who is one of the creator of Karate, he's been talking about Karate. He's been writing blogs about Karate and being in touch for that. So now when I get associated with CX, I see there is a quite an opportunity where we can experiment new tools, and I was very much involved already with this tool, and we started experimenting with it. So coming to our discussion, we specifically picked up on the UI because it's been only Selenium for the years. And I'm not saying Selenium is nothing to go on or Selenium is very complicated or something, but it's always good to have options and alternatives. And we are in a world where the new tools, technology stuff day in day out. We need something new. We need something to compare with. We need something to work along as an alternative. So we have been using Karate for a while for API automation, that is on the services side. But now we have started using Karate as in the automation tool as well. We have successfully delivered two of our products using Karate as in the automation, and that has been quite a mind-boggling experience, and quite a few things came out of it. The major things to highlight is it's given a BDD wrapper with it. It's not associated with a specific programming language you have to learn. It's quite easy to learn the DSL, that is the domain specific language that brings up it, which is following the given when then taking language format. We don't have to bother about the glue code. The architecture is designed based on W3C protocol, which I believe Selenium 4 is now bringing up. Selenium 3 was not having. Selenium 3 was having typical Java, JSON protocol earlier. And there are many features to talk about. So we will be, touching upon all the features in our session. We will be trying our best to showcase how quickly we can, bring up the framework or get up, anybody to code and deliver the outcome. To enhance this, we have report portal as a tool, which we are also using quite extensively. It is one of the reporting tool we came across again, and it is one of the recommendations made by Peter Thomas in the current documentation as well. So speaking about report portal, it quite well integrates with Karate. It is built considering your automation reporting, and it has a lot of features. We are still exploring. It has got the AIML side of it, which can give you predictive analysis, which can help in defect categorization, which can bring up different graphs, which can bring up different analysis altogether. So I would say that it's not only for today's QA, it's for everyone who's coming into the session, from the managers, from the freshers, from the QAs, and from the experienced professionals. And we are looking forward that people join our session, just not only listen to us but share the feedback, because it's an open source world and everybody is experimenting something. So we want people to share the feedback, tell us what we can improve, what they might have tried and which might have worked for them and we might have missed it. So yeah, looking forward.
Very nice. In fact, I agree. It's one of those tools which probably is quite vast. Because of this, as you rightly said, that API is something which Karate was already popular, and I've seen that UI automation is something also which is basically much easier and much firmer because of the way that the entire framework has been established, because of the BDD framework that it has. So I am sure, and plus what you're bringing in with the report portal and the AI analytics into it, I think that is a certain edge that basically everyone in the testing community would like to have. I would definitely recommend this guy. So I don't want to take out the thunder from your workshop in this small speaker interview series. I would be more than thrilled to know a little bit about you, which you said that you are a marathon runner, and Rajni said that she likes traveling. Where are you guys located right now? Where are you from? Which part of the world or India you are from?
So I am born and brought up in Mumbai, typical Mumbai. I love the city. My schooling, college, everything has been done from Mumbai. I've completed my engineering for DY Patil, that is Rampravati Institute of Technology. That's in Navi Mumbai. And currently I stay in Goregaon East, that's suburbs, and our office is located in the southern part of Mumbai, which is called Soho. So we are at Lower Parel.
Very nice. Rajni, you are also a Mumbaikar, just like Kunal?
No, actually, I'm basically from Patna. So my education and upbringing has been done from there itself. So I have done my graduation from Patna Women's College over there. And then, for job and all, I migrated to Pune. And eventually I'm landing up in Mumbai right now. So I'm currently residing at Dombivli. So yeah, Dombivli and our current organization CX, which is at Parade. So yeah, a lot of exploration on traveling part as well. And
Yeah.
as I said, I like to travel to places also. So recently, I mean, I've not done much trek as such, just as Kunal does. But yeah, I've been to a few treks, one of which was Rajmashi. So I, thoroughly enjoyed that experience. So yeah, looking forward within the current team to have such, outings and all those stuffs.
Very nice. I think Mumbai is one of those metropolitans which is basically extremely people friendly. I see everybody helping each other. Amazing place to be in. And I think the camaraderie and the collaboration that everybody has is beyond imagination. I have been part of those Ganesh festivals for around 18 years. And I see that every time I am part of that, I get goosebumps. So it is something amazing to be part of that journey, I would say. And obviously Mumbai also has great food options, and obviously from Mumbai you can travel to so many other places as well. So Kunal, just the last one, from a marathon point of view, do you run in that annual, now it is the TCS marathon, earlier it was Standard Chartered, or is there something else that you get into?
I would like to divide it pre-COVID. So actually, I was coming back this weekend, but due to some commitments, I have to cancel it. I was participating in Arctic Bombay Marathon, and I was attempting 10 again because after a gap. But the last I have ran, I think I've participated in Thane, Powai, and I participated in Mumbai marathons also. I've not ran a 42-kilometer full marathon yet, but I have ran 21 kilometers like 5 to 6 times, and
Wow,
then 10 kilometers I probably will do more than 10 plus. So
amazing.
yeah,
Yeah, so we would look forward for you participating in that 42-kilometer and making some news for us. And obviously we are looking forward for your session as well. But guys, I would really recommend everybody in the testing community to not miss a chance to attend their workshop. Remember, it would be on 10th of December, and it would be something which I would recommend everybody in the testing community to please attend. Thank you so much for your time, Kunal. Thank you so much, Rajni. It was amazing to catch up with you and know more about you. Looking forward for your session. Thanks a lot.
thank you, Aditya.
Yeah,
Have
our
a good day.
pleasure.
Bye bye.
Yeah, thank
Yeah,
you so much.
cheers.
Bye.